Hi everybody, welcome to Mrs. Sharda Gupta's Succulent and Cactus Garden. These are just a few of her collections. The rest will be shown later by the end of the demonstration. So let me first introduce Mrs. Sharda Gupta to you.
Hello everybody. Hi everybody. Good evening. Mrs. Sridevi asked me to do this succulents demonstration, and that's why I'm very happily doing this one. Because of this corona time, mental diversion she is giving to all the public also. She is giving to me also. Really, this is very good in corona time. She is doing like this programs. Really appreciate her. Thank you. Sridevi, thank you very much. Before demonstration, I want to introduce myself. I am basically from Andhra Pradesh. This is hobbies from my mother. My mother is a garden lover. From that time when I was 10 years old, from that time I used to do this garden. After my marriage, I came to Karnataka. I was in other house. That time in the balcony garden I used to do. Mama's house I was doing terrace garden. After that I shifted to this house 40 years before. All my ideas I used in this house. My house is each and everywhere indoor, cactus, bonsais, hanging varieties, ferns like that. Different way I displayed. Now this is my hobbies. Now actually from so many years my hobby is this one. Now I am 70 plus. Okay friends. Now I am going to start my demonstration. Especially she wanted only succulents. I displayed my cactus and succulents together only. Then only look will be there. Both the varieties also you can manage it same way. That's why I did it like that. Always I will arrange my plant indoor separate, cactus separate, fern separate, because pouring that water contain means how we have to do for each and every plant. That's why cactus need not more water. That's the way I am doing like this. Now I am showing to the demonstration how to do and how. First I will talk about before doing the pots, you have to collect pots, manure, how to put the manure, scissors, everything you have to make it ready. After you collect your succulents, which plants will suit for this, you have to calculate and you can put. Pot mix though, you have to sand one pot of sand, manure 1 pot, coco pit 3/4, vermicompost half of quantity. Always you can, if you want, you can add little bit of red dirt, because red dirt sometimes that soil is little fiber. That fiber soil is not grow properly cactus. Cactus, succulents, always you have to need the porous water, porous sand. That's why you can easily multiply, usually you can repot, everything easily you can do for this. And you can use some this one, Bevan Hindi, what will say? Bevan Hindi only you can add in that. Nowadays like a cake and all it is available. Little bit to add it before this manure you could have put it. Okay. Then I will start showing now. Okay. Now already I mixed my manure like this porous way. Okay. See everybody. And very short time, no? That's why I'm not mixing now. I gave the measurements there. Now you have to put the drainage holes is very much important for the pots. This is the drainage hole. You see, this is the drainage hole. Without drainage hole, you can't do the garden, because all the water will be clogged inside. Should not clog the water inside the pot. Then it will be so much rotten, it will die soon. Now see this pot, which plant will go in this, you have to see. I have few cuttings here. Always you have to put the cuttings before 2 days, you have to take and put it in the direct sun. Need not taking out from the pot, suddenly you can't put. Then it will survive very nicely. This is, I am keeping in the sun from 2 days. Now you will put this cactus, succulent in the pot. It will come very survive very nicely. Within 1 month, it will give new shoots. Okay, friends? You will, everybody is understanding? Now I am putting here like this. See, already these pot pieces are like this. You have to put inside the drainage. You have to cover the drainage inside the pot, and you have to put the manure, and you start doing the plant potting. Okay, see, you should not disturb the plants. Look at here. You have to take out excess like this, and see what I am thinking. This is going very nicely in this. Okay, I liked it. This. That's all you can do it. Before one day, I made it ready my pot. See how much we learned in the life. There is still learning. We are learning so many things. Always we can't think we are experts. We have to learn from each other. But the way of putting succulents, many people will take many ways. Like that, each one is their practical experience. I am not a botany student. I am the practical experience, because I only will do my garden always. This is like children. How many plants he will grow, that many children you have, you think. Like children, you have to take care of these plants. Okay? Plants, these succulents need not so much of water. You will keep it in the small pot. You can't keep in the direct sun. You can keep it this one, little bit of semi-shade and window shade. Okay? And which you have in the big pots. See here, this one like a lotus. This one, you keep it in the sun. It will give nice color. You keep it in the shade, it will lose the colors. It will lanky, it will fall green, and it won't be healthy. It will be rotten like that, because excess water also it will happen in the, you will keep it in the shade. That's a big pot. You can keep it in the direct sun. It will survive very nicely. Look at that, from 5 years, I didn't do the repot for that. You know, necessary to repot all the time. If it is very necessary, what is something so full and all, you think like that, you want to do some more pots like this, you want to extend some more, like that, you have to multiply it, you want to need it only, you can take out, and again you do the repot. One pot, you will take out, so many you can do. How to multiply also, I will show. Watering I will show. Okay, see, these are the succulents garden. I did like this. Various of succulents are here. All the succulents I displayed here. It will grow nicely. When it will be very crowded, you can take out little bit. See, look at your many succulents are there. Okay, like this, you can arrange your succulent. You keep it in the sun. Last 3 months back only I did this one. Suppose when it will be in the grow nicely, it will give the nice colors. Now I talk about the watering. See, my plants are in the window shade only. All the big plants in the sun only. Sun. Look at here. Look at here. And you can do little bit of color pebbles in that, or whatever the pebbles you want, you can put. That soil won't come out. This is a porous soil, no? Whenever you put the water, it will come out from the pot. It will be messy. Put some color stone, it will look more beautiful. Okay. One more I will show you, people. See, this one also, like this also you can use. What are the waste we are in the house? You can use everything, especially for succulents. See, these plants also I have to put in the, from 2 days, it is in the sun. Now, I thought of these plants will go, or this plant will go Still I am thinking which will go. But I thought of this will go nicely. See, look at your thumb, like a kalsha. It looks very nice. So I am going to put in this. See, within 1 month, all the suits will come very nicely. How to put the water, I will show, okay? 1 minute, I will show you everything. Now, I will use my hand only. I am very happy. This won't be very untidy because this is the boron soil, no? This will be very neat and nice. Some people will mix this charcoal and sand and little bit of small pebbles. That is more easier to grow like this. Some charcoals you can put amount of charcoals and sand, little bit of tiny stones. That's all. This will go, this will survive very nicely. Each one ideas are very different. I talk to the people, everybody will say some different. You learn so many things and which will be suitable for us, which is easy for you, you can do it. Don't put the fibers for it, okay? Look at here, how it is. You like it? Hi friends, here maybe you like this one, I think. See, this is my finger ring. This is my finger ring. Whenever I will do the demonstration, succulents or cactus, whatever, I will wear one pendant like this. That is my favorite to do like that. My interest, that one, okay? And I like Shiva. This is a air plant. This air plant is no water, nothing. Just you sprinkle little water, no soil, no nothing. You have to need the good holes for that. That's all. This Shiva is my favorite. Wherever you can see in my house, it will be Shiva is there. Okay. Now, how? Please bring the water. Please bring the water. How to pour the water? I will show now. Look at here. Daba, you don't put it in the pipe. Okay, slowly. Because it's a small pots, no. For bigger pots, somewhat it is okay. Little have to put like this. Okay, na? Okay. See, this one, you have to put like slowly. You have to put very slowly. You have to put little bit of. I put it little this thing. Okay. Sorry. More than collection the pots, presentation also should be nice, and placing also important, and what kind of pot you are using. Some creativity also you can add for this. You can add in this succulents. Only succulents and cactus and all you can do very nicely, whatever the creativity you want in that. See, before I did it in lantern, bamboo, tire. I have plenty that's at the back. That is at the garden. Look at here. This is hand. How it is growing? Straight. See? Good. Okay. Now, I want to do the multiplication. How to do the multiplication? See, one piece of this one, you are going to baste it. You can put it like this also, it will come. Just you have to put like this. Already I had put fill it in that. See, look at here. You can see when I was doing the work, it is fell down like this. One petal also, it will come like this. Okay. Which one I can do? This one I will do. See, slowly you have to do. Don't hurt the plant. Okay. You have to do very carefully everything. Sometimes need not putting like this also. You put it like this also, it will come very nicely. You have to take care, that's all. Don't put it in the rainy season, direct rains will come more, that time it will rotten. Okay, see, this is a broken teacup. Little bit of this is a broken here. So, it will drainage the water very properly because it will come. we don't put much water also, no. That time you can put it the plant in this also. You can place the plant. See, now I am showing. This plant you will put in this, how it is. Like it? Everybody is like it? Like this way you can do it. If you want, shall I put and show? Look at your, always you cut your plants like this, cross way. Don't cut straight way, and you don't harm the nodes. Okay, now need not this thing. Okay, for this don't want pebbles more, because when the small crack is there, see, look at your 2 inches has to go inside properly. You have to cut little more because already roots has come here. Okay, take out, retain just this thing. If you want, you can come and see in my house after 1 month. Should not be corona there, then you can come and visit to my house. See, that's all. You can fill some more soil. You can fill again some more soil. Okay, na? Okay. Shall I finish it? You have to press it properly. Otherwise it will hang like this. Okay? You have to do like this. Okay. Shall put some more soil for this. Otherwise it will hang like this. Look at you. That's all. And what else I want to tell? And every month you spray the pots NPK. I am doing blight tops or roger. I am spraying for this because this Bevan Hindi, Nimka Hindi, it won't die the worms. Only for succulents. It is eating so much nicely. So you have to put the roger or metacid. You will go to the fertilizer shop. They will come other medicine. Organic menus, organic spray also it is available. We add it NPK in that every month. It will grow nice growth and nice look it will come. And what else you want to need? See. See. I am trying like this grafting. This is a frog. This plant is from, I think this is when I went to this US 23 years back. I went to Chicago. That time I bought this frog. From that time I placed this kind of succulent in this. I am trying to the grafted in on top of that. Look at here. Look like this. Which way you want to see? Look here. Okay, and spray is over, pots are over, watering is over, where to keep the plants you came to know, where to this thing and all. Okay, that's all. I will show my other cactus, other succulents with the cactus in the other side also. I will give the one show, and I wanted to hanging succulents. That is more beautiful, more beautiful. I will explain you. Please give me 1 minute time. See, this is the plant, this one. Okay. You can do this graftings, you can try in this. Other succulents. Sorry, I'm telling cactus. You succulents, whatever. You can put it in the tip of this thing. You can try. Okay. Friends, look at your these varieties. I can place it in the small shoe. you can make us a bonsai. This one, say this is the succulent bonsai. Look at here, the trunk is developing very nicely. You have to take care of very properly. This is a small container, it's growing like a bonsai. Okay, and see this one other shoe. See that sometimes this porcelain containers is not having a hole. That time you can add some other plant, other cup inside. Then you can put the cactus. Like that also you can do. This is not a succulent. This is in between the decoration. I am using, this is a Bilbergia variety. This is not, don't want much water for this. That's why I am putting that. Because of the in between the attractions. See, when children children played and told this that is broken, but I planned it and did it like that. This is not a succulent, just I am giving the idea. See, this is the elephant. Need not necessary to always doing repotting. See, when it will be very crowded, something will get the problem. Once again, I am telling. And see, like these jars you are having at home, this also you can use. This is very creative. Hagi, this looks like a very creative. Okay. And look at here, I told you, no, there is no hole for your pot. Then you can keep it in the inside the dining hall, or anybody will come and in sitting hall and all. You can use like these pots. You have putting like this, and you place it up in this, and you can keep it in the office room, wherever you want. See, like this I did little bit of where it is. Look at here. Okay. Now I am taking you people some other garden, and I am showing some other things for you. That is a big pots and multiple plants decorated in the big pots. I will show you now. Okay. Thank you. I will. Usually succulents are sun-down plants. This is a desert plant. When it is in the big pot, I displayed in the sun. Look at here. These are my collection. That big one, Mammalarias. This is a 40 years old. Okay. I will show this succulent hanging variety now. Weekly thrice is more than enough to the weekly 2 times according to the weather. When rainy season, you don't put water 1 week also, no problem. It is in the air only it will take the water. This is a desert plant. Without water only it will grow sometimes. Little water is more than enough. Little soil is more than enough for the succulent. Such a small containers also you can grow. You have to need some design, you have to do something with separate these varieties, no? Like that you can add it like this. Okay? Look at this hanging succulents. It will hang like this, like a waterfall. In this, only one will fall also, it will come. It will multiply. One thing, you will plug it and put there. I will show you that side is I put. I will show you that side. These are the varieties. You are each and everything succulent. You have a different name. Totally we will say succulents. But for this and everything is the botanical names will be there. If you want, you can put the tags and you can learn the names. But you will put the tags only, you can learn. That is difficult to pronounce also. Here I had used shell. In the shell I had put this one. Look at here. Shall I take this one? That is in the shell. Here, I will tell you something. Okay? Look at here. Here, it will come like sometime lanky like this because it will be heavy now. This way it will fall. You will cut it here and near the node like a cross way. It will sprout from here. Then it looks like that. Otherwise, when it will come like this, you can cut out this one. Then it will sprouts will come here. It looks nearly little like a full and looking very nice, this one. Okay, this one idea. This I had little bit of this thing. I will show you. I will show you this. See, one is fall there. I didn't plant also this one. How sprouts are coming. Here so many are there like that. I am showing only one piece. Look at here. Are you making out? Just a minute. Just a minute. I will show some more. Oh my God. There it is. Not getting out. Making out? Making out? So many sprouts will come. You can multiply 1,000. You can multiply the succulents. You go and see that in window sill also. That window sill also I displayed. This also fell down from the somewhere from hanging. I am hang it here and there. No, because of the squirrels and all, it will roam here. No, it fell down. It was in the down. See how much of roots has come, sprouts has come. Look at here. Now you can plant it this one. Okay, okay, that's all. See, this is from the shell. This is the oxygen will supply very nice. This is the oxygen plants. This is growing from in my house from many years, nearly more than 10-15 years. This one still I am not taking out. Look at here, how it's growing. This is a shell. Look at here. Okay. See, one more shell is there. From there only it fell down. Budappa, I will have to part it. Sridevi asked me only succulent, but I am not explaining anything. Just like that I am telling this the air plant, no water, nothing for this. It is growing like that only. This pot also ulta I kept, you see. That's all. Little bit of water you have to sprinkle it this one. That's all. But when I am finish it up now, I will tell you. Done. You can make your pots like this also. You take one ordinary stone, put some crown cut on top of that, and before that you have to make the hole for that. Before contact will be strong. Now you can add a little bit of pebbles and all you stick in that. It's very more beautiful. This is the pots I did it planting. That is the succulent. And I published 2 books. This one, I want to inform you one more thing. This one, Gardening with Care and Creativity. This book, 1997, I published this book. And these are the, see, look at here, this book I published. One more book, this is 2003. This one is Art of Bonsai. Because for learners can learn very easily in this, I published this book also. My daughter-in-law translated to English. She's a literature she did. She translated to me. Because everybody is understand very nicely, I think. Because I am not speaking good English, I will make mistakes. Because I will speak in English, so many will understand. You all are understand, I think. But my English is not good. And Kannada will be there, Telugu people will be there, Tamil people will be there. English commonly everybody will understand, no? That's why I did it like that. Okay, thank you everyone. Thank you Sridevi once again. Thank you.